The topic of today's video is how to claim your Spotify artist profile with Amuse. Now, just like every other distributor, Amuse doesn't have any special way to do this. What you need to do is release your first song or album, and Amuse and Spotify will handle making a profile for that release. However, in order for you to claim that profile as your own, to be able to edit it with Spotify for Artists, you want to hop over onto the link at the bottom of this video. It's just going to skip a few unnecessary steps. And what it's going to do is bring you to this page here. Now, I will say that if you are someone who doesn't use Spotify, you need to go and make yourself a Spotify account now. It's free, just nothing special, just a normal Spotify account. Once you have it, you're good to go. So when you jump over onto this page, they will probably first ask you to log into your Spotify, the one you just made, if you just made it now. And most likely you are going to pick the first option here because you are an artist. If not, then you can tick the other option. Now on the next screen here, it's going to ask you for your artist name. If you've got a unique artist name, just type it in, it'll probably pop up. If you've got something more common like Steve Smith, then what you want to do is jump over to Spotify. In Spotify, you're going to go to what do you want to play and just search for your artist name. When it pops up, you're going to click into it, and right next to follow, you'll see these three dots. You want to click on those, then go to share, then copy link to artist. And then we're going to take that link and we're going to go and paste it into that Spotify for Artists section. Then it's going to ask, is this the profile you're looking for? You're going to say, yes, indeed it is. And from here, they are going to ask you a few questions. I believe it is things like email address, phone number, your full name, things like that, personal information. And once you are done, they will begin the verification process and send you an email. This isn't immediate, this could take a while, but once it's done, next time you come to Spotify for Artists, you will be brought into your own analytics page where you can do customization for your profile pictures, canvases for your songs, and so forth. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you guys. Do consider liking and subscribing if you're new here, and I will see you in the next video.